Arabic Alphabet Quiz, Part 3. Are you ready? Let's go.
Question number 1. Which one of the following is Saad? Amazing. This one is the correct option. You're starting strong in your Arabic learning journey. Question number 2. Which one of the following is Thaw? Excellent. This one is the correct option. You're mastering the Arabic alphabet like a champ. Question number 3. Which one of the following is Daud? Fantastic. This one is the correct option. You're mastering the Arabic alphabet one letter at a time. Keep it up. Question number 4. Which one of the following is Ghayn? Great job. This one is the correct option. You're building a solid foundation in Arabic. Question number 5. Which one of the following is Thaw? Well done. This one is the correct option. You're shining bright with your Arabic learning. Question number 6. Which one of the following is Ayn? Fantastic. This one is the correct option. Keep up the great work. Arabic is getting easier every step. Question number 7. Which one of the following is Thaw? Excellent. This one is the correct option. Your pronunciation and recognition skills are improving fast.
Ready for the quiz? Try the free quiz in the description below to test your Arabic.